In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over an image in Squarespace. First things first, make sure you're already logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're on your homepage, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu where you can select the website you're planning to work on. Once you've done that, you'll want to click the Edit button to make changes to your site. Now that you're in the editing mode, the next step is to add a new section. This is where the magic begins. Look to add a section on your page. You'll find an option for it right in your editor. Once you've got your section in place, the next step is to add a block. Now, blocks are like building bricks for your page, really foundational and flexible. Click on Add Block, and from the list of block types, select the image block. This step is crucial as it will bring up the option to upload your image file. Browse through your files and select the image you want to use. Once you've chosen your image, it'll upload to the site. This might take a moment, depending on the size of your file, so a little patience here can go a long way. After your file has uploaded successfully, you'll have the opportunity to adjust its size. You might want to make it a bit larger or maybe a tad smaller, whatever suits your design needs. Once you're satisfied with how the image sits, it's time to add another block. You're going to add a text block this time, so click on Add Block again and choose the text block option. Once you've done that, you can drag this text block over your image. Just click on it and move it around. You'll notice that it's really flexible, allowing you to position it just right over your image. This is where you can posture the text wherever it provides the best readability or achieves the style you're going for. Go ahead and enter your text. Type in what you want displayed, whether it's a headline, a quote, or perhaps a description. Once you've entered your text, feel free to adjust its position and style even further until you're happy with it. After you've arranged both your image and text to your liking, the last step is simple yet important. Be sure to click the Save button. This ensures that all your changes, adjustments, and creative efforts are preserved, and your work is ready to be viewed by your audience. And that's it. You now know how to put text over an image in Squarespace. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.